Hi guys, my name is Jordan Mullings from Learn to Ride JA, and I want to share some tips with you guys. First thing is helmet and safety gear. Helmet is the bare minimum. As you can see, I have on my helmet right now, but I really should have on a jacket, gloves, long pants, and proper shoes. Right? Next thing I want to speak about is the wild behavior and the reckless riding that we're seeing from some of our riders on the road. No, you don't need to do that. I understand the urge and what you want to, want to show off your talents and your skills. But I implore you guys to think safety, because anything can happen, right? And we need to use our duty of care. Now, remember this tip. Awareness buys you time, time buys you options. This is critical for being on a motorcycle. As we know, on a motorcycle, we're exposed to risk and danger. There's nothing protecting us. That's why it's important to have on the right safety gear and to think, what if? Constantly simulating in your mind. What if this was to happen? What if that was to happen? Remember, all road users should have a duty of care. So you're not just thinking about yourself, but you're thinking about all road users, persons in vehicles and pedestrians on the road. Take care, Jamaica. Take care, riders. Have a great day.